All right, all right, all right. My slip is showing there. Okay, we're doing this on the fly. So look, basically, what we have here is we have a bounce off of the retracement, and this could be a bear market bounce. But what we're watching for right now is a trigger of the weekly bull flag. So I'm neutral pending the trigger of this weekly bull flag on the S&P. And that's what we're going to watch for tomorrow. Let's see if that baby triggers tomorrow. I mean, we're right there. We're right there. Really, if we would have broke 471 today, we would have triggered it. So that's it. We break. Oh, look at that. We closed up there, eh? The highest 471. We broke it at 471.03. So I'm neutral to bullish, and I'm expecting this thing to start running if Netflix didn't get in our way. Let's see what the ES looks like, what the futures look like. Okay, so the futures are still showing this flag that hasn't triggered yet. That's interesting. We got 491 and the high of 467. So I don't know. I guess we got to see 30 points on the futures through the evening to trigger that flag. I just wonder which is going to take precedence. If we take a look at BTC, we have the same situation going on right now in BTC. We have a weekly flag, and we're waiting for that bad boy to trigger. So we're neutral on both of these. I'm going to give up that bearish stance. I'm going to say neutral pending the trigger of the flag on the weekly S&P 500 and the weekly Bitcoin. So that's it for today. Didn't really stream today. Kind of looking at just working a little bit, making some money. But we had a good trade. I'm just going to point it out to you so you know what we're looking at. It was early in the morning. Let's see if there we go. So we had this run up first thing in the morning. Couldn't decide what to do. I put this trend line in, watched for the break of the high. Actually got in early on this break, and then just grinded my way up. Got two off pretty quick. Took a 100 a contract and 200 a contract. Let the other one run for quite a bit of change. I didn't really count my money, but arguably. I'd say I probably got about 20 points out of that, so probably 1,000 a contract on the last third. It was a good day. It was a good day. I haven't really been trading much, so I figured I'd put something in and focus on the trading, make some money. Hopefully, you do the same too. Look for my morning